What is the Oscar coaching model? It is a 5-step coaching process used to explore goals and challenges, and choose suitable options to meet those goals. The model involves 5 stages of the coaching process that can be used for career development, performance improvement, and overall personal growth. Let's take a look at the 5 key stages in more detail. The first stage is outcome. This stage focuses on what the coachee wants to achieve, and is crucial for setting clear, specific, and measurable goals that guide the coaching progress. Some key activities of this step is clarifying the desired outcome, exploring the benefits and impacts, as well as identifying obstacles and resources. The next stage is situation. This involves exploring the current circumstances and goals, and is about understanding the present state before planning for the future. Some key activities include exploring the current situation, identifying key issues and challenges, as well as assessing resources and strengths. The next stage is choices. This stage involves exploring various options and strategies the coachee can consider to achieve the desired outcomes. The key activities of this stage are brainstorming and discussing options, evaluating those chosen options, and selecting the best options to meet goals. Next, we have actions. This involves evaluating the progress made towards the goals, and reflecting on learning and development that have occurred during coaching process. Key activities include assessing the progress, reflecting on learning, and planning the next steps. The final stage of the Oscar model is review. This stage involves evaluating the progress made towards the goal, reflecting on the actions that have been taken, and discussing what has been learned to ensure continuous improvement. The key activities of this stage are assessing the final outcomes, reflecting on effectiveness of the actions taken, and documenting the lessons learned for future improvement. Let's take a look at the benefits of using the Oscar coaching model. Clarity of goals. Using the Oscar model emphasizes clear and specific goal setting, helping coachees understand what they want to achieve, and why. Enhanced motivation. Using the Oscar model helps explore the benefits and impacts of achieving the goals, and increases motivation and commitment. Structured process. Using the Oscar model offers a structured approach that guides the team through the coaching journey. Focused conversations. Each stage of the model ensures that coaching conversations are focused and productive, preventing them from becoming aimless. Increased self-awareness. Using the Oscar model helps coachees gain a deeper understanding of their current reality, challenges, and strengths. Encourages problem solving. Using the Oscar model encourages brainstorming and exploring various options, fostering creativity and innovative thinking. Accountability. Regular reviews of progress ensure that coachees remain accountable for their actions and stay on track towards their goals. Adaptability. Using the Oscar model can be adapted to suit different coaching styles and contexts, making it versatile and widely applicable. Empowerment. By involving coachees in the decision-making process, the model empowers them to take ownership of their development and actions. And finally, sustainable change. Using the Oscar model promotes sustainable behavioral changes and long-term development, rather than quick fixes. In summary, by utilizing the Oscar model approach into your coaching process, it ensures focused and productive coaching conversations, empowering coachees to take ownership of their development and make meaningful progress.